Hey guys, let's check out how the tab order works in overlays. I've created this overlay for a previous video where we talked about repeaters. So I've got 4 things on screen here, and I'd like to be able to allow people to tab to these things and activate them with their keyboard to make things a bit more accessible. So what I can do is I'll just double click on my repeater here to get the properties panel open. And under identifiers at the bottom is the unique ID as well as this include in tab order. Now there's a little blurb here which will tell you what it does and why we do it, but it's basically going to allow people to tab to these items using their keyboard. So what I can do is I can turn this on, and it's now included in the tab order. You can edit the order at any time. There is a handy little button here, or you can click down in the overlay properties area and there's a keyboard tab order, which currently only contains one thing. Let's add the rest of these and then we can take a look at how ordering for those works. So I'm going to go into the properties for the snaps button now, and I'm going to toggle this on, and then I'll do the same for animation, and I'll do the same for waypoints. So now if I go back to this area here, you can see that we have all 4 of them. Now, if you've got a really large overlay or you've kind of been adding things ad hoc, you may want to reorder them, and you can easily do that by just doing this. And you can see the numbering on the side here. So what I want is I want people to be able to go tab, 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 and get down there. Okay, so snaps first, vertical menu, I want it to be last, and then animation I need there. Okay, so I'm going to save this, go back to one of my groups, my only group, and into this guy again, where we get some data loaded. So now if I go and open the preview window, okay, so the preview opens and our data loads. Now if I start in the title bar and press tab, 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 right? And now I can also use the arrows as well as page up and page down, as well as the enter or space bar to toggle things. So we can, let's shift tab to go back. I'll go to animations. Tab over here, trigger the animation with the space bar, pause it with the space bar. Then I can go back to waypoints, toggle that with space bar, and then go, back here again and toggle these with the space bar or enter, right? Full keyboard accessibility with a couple of toggles for you. And that's it. That's how you set up tab ordering for all your overlays in SeekBeak.